to disable add friend button on Facebook account. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I already set my Facebook account, so I no longer have the add friend button. So now I have the follow button, and I will show you how to do it too. So first I will go out of here, and then from here you want to scroll down and click on settings, and again on settings, and then from here you want to scroll down, and here at audience and visibility we have how people find and contact you. So click on that, and then here you have to click on the first option, who can send you friend requests. So you have to set this to friends of friends. So now let's go back, and on this page we also have to go to followers and public content. So here we want to set this to public, all of these options. So here, as you can see, I already have all my options public. So now if we go back, and then if we go to our profile, and then if we click on those three dots from the right of the page and then click on view as, now we have the follow button. So this is all that you have to do to get rid of add friend button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.